Overlooking its own stunning garden, this majestic Georgian mansion in Greenwich, Connecticut seamlessly blends top-of-the-line appointments with a rich array of custom detailing. Framed by stone walls, a gated cherry tree-lined drive leads to the majestic brick Georgian Manor on 8.5 park-like acres. Crowned by a 3-story chandelier, the impressive reception hall with whinge walnut parquetry floor opens to a formal dining room with fireplace and elegant living room with fireplace and custom bar. A grand 2-story mahogany library with brass upper gallery serves as the home's magnificent showpiece, with a marble fireplace and French doors to the covered porch. High-end great appliances highlight the custom small bone chef's kitchen with palanquin cabinetry, double butler's pantries with access to the dining room. The impeccably designed master suite features a sitting area with a private balcony off of the bedroom with fireplace and 2 stunning bathrooms, both with radiant heated floors. There are 4 more spacious ensuite bedrooms on this floor. The lower level housed a wine cellar, home theater, family room, gym, and yoga room. The expansive stone terrace overlooks the rolling lawns on the garden and is flanked by a 75-foot-long heated Haggerty plaster pool with mosaic floor. The charming pool house contains a covered open-air dining area, full kitchen, and full bath. Beyond the pool, the fully equipped outdoor kitchen features a pizza oven and 3 grills. Artfully concealed by the property's stone walls is a north-south tennis court. The home is for sale for $39 million.